You've been told you're too emotional, too loud, too focused, too different. But you're not too much. You've just been around people who couldn't handle someone evolving. Maybe your growth made them uncomfortable. Maybe your focus triggered their insecurity. Maybe your confidence was too unfamiliar for them to accept. So instead of celebrating you, they tried to shrink you. And somewhere along the way, you started shrinking yourself too. You kept the volume down. You held your opinions back. You stopped sharing your goals out loud just in case it made someone else uncomfortable. And now, even as you change, there's a small part of you that still whispers, don't get too big. Don't take up too much space. Don't outgrow the room. But the truth is, you were never the problem. They just weren't meant to come with you. The more you evolve, the more you'll trigger people who refuse to change. Let them be uncomfortable because the version of you who hides is not coming with you. The version of you who apologizes for growing is not the one that gets to lead this journey. You are not too loud, too focused, too bold, too driven. You are exactly enough for the life you're building now. It's not your responsibility to manage anyone that can't handle that. So if you've spent years trying to make yourself smaller to fit in, it's time to grow into who you really are without apology. Now I want you to drop a butterfly if you're done making yourself digestible and tell me, what part of you are you finally ready to set free? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.